Yeah, I was just driving along, thought I would do a quick video for homeowners that have flat roofs and even commercial building owners. A good way to get the longest lasting roofing runtime out of your roof covering is to, every 3 to 4 years, do a repair and Versico. And this is pretty much for homeowners and building owners that have maybe a hot asphalt roof or a modified bitumen roof, which is also called a rubber torch down roof. And what it does, when you do this repair and Versico, the Versico is light in colors because dark colors absorb heat and light colors reflect the heat. So the Versico will help reflect the sunlight when it hits your roof, and that will keep it nice and cool, and it never has a chance to heat up and start causing issues from it drying out. A good analogy is just like we put Vaseline and lotion on our hands to keep them from drying out. Well, when you put that Versico on your roof, that helps preserve the roof and whatnot. So yeah, just thought I'd pass that tip along to you, and we'll have some more tips coming down the road for you there. Okay, we'll talk to you later.